Hi everyone, in this video I will give you an honest review of the Etisalat Gochat app for audio and video calling in the UAE. Is it a good alternative to other calling apps? Let's just try to find out in this video. So the interface of Etisalat Gochat app will look something like this, where you can download and install it from Google Play Store or App Store and then tap on the start calling option. Over here you will have to first of all select your country, and after selecting it you will have to provide your phone number. Then you need to verify your phone number and you will be able to easily create your account on Gochat. Now Gochat is Etisalat's official VoIP app that is designed to allow users in the UAE to make free audio and video calls to other Gochat users worldwide. This application also offers messaging, mobile top-ups and bill payments, making it more than just a calling app. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Gochat is that it is free to use and it doesn't require to paid VoIP subscription like other UAE-based services such as Botim or SeeMe. However, the quality of the calls depend on your internet connection, and there are some users that have reported occasional lag or call drops, especially on mobile data. So as compared to international apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, FaceTime, Gochat has fewer users, meaning that you can only call people who have the app installed. While it's a decent option for UAE residents, it still doesn't replace globally popular apps since many VoIP services are restricted in UAE. So you must be wondering whether it is worth it or not. So if you are looking for, you must be wondering whether Gochat is worth it or not. So if you are in the UAE and if you need a free calling app, it is a solid choice undoubtedly, but it is limited to those who also use it. So have you tried this application? Do let me know your experiences in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.